Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mystic Magic. So today I am going to share my affordable summer essential makeup product for oily and combination skin type, which are very important in summer season. I hope you really like this video. So before I start my video, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it now, and please don't forget to hit the bell icon next to it so that you will always get notified when I upload any video and never miss it. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first product which we used in our face is moisturizer. So for the moisturizer, I have two options. First is VLCC Lavang moisturizer and the second is Patanjali Aloe Vera gel. If you are looking for cheaper option, then you will go for this. Like winter, in summer also we need moisturizer to hydrate our skin. So moisturizer is must in any season, whether you are oily skin like me or not. Next product is must have summer essential product, which is sunscreen, and I have Lotus Herbal Safe Sun 3-in-1 matte look daily sunblock SPF 40 sunscreen, which is very good for oily skin because it mattify your skin and make your skin oil free for long time. Next thing is primer. You can also use Patanjali Aloe Vera gel as a primer, but if you want to try other primer, then go for this SFR All Day Pro Prep SD High Definition Smoothing Face Primer. It is silicone gel based primer and gives you a matte finish. Next thing is foundation. So if you have oily skin like me, then go for this Lakme Invisible Finish Foundation SPF 8. It gives you medium to high coverage and blends easily and give you matte finish for daily use. And if you don't want to use foundation, you can also use Pond's BB cream. It suits all skin type, dry, oily and combination skin. It also gives you matte finish and don't feel greasy at all. I recommend this to all. Next thing is a loose powder or compact powder to set your makeup or foundation in summer cause we sweat a lot. So I have three options for this. First is ADS banana powder, second is Lakme whitening rose powder with sunscreen, and third is Maybelline New York compact powder. All the powder does it works well. All the products are awesome and keep your face sweat proof and oil free for a long time. Next thing which we need is mascara, and I have two options. First is Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express Waterproof Mascara and second is ADS Double Mascara. This both mascara is waterproof, so it does not smudge if you sweat much also. Next thing which we need for our cheek is blush. So in summer we need all our products in matte. So this Maybelline Color Show blush is a matte blush which give you a natural color to your cheek in summer. Next thing is lip balm. So I have two options for this. First is Avon Natural Cherry Lip Balm and the second is Vaadi Herbals Orange Lip Balm. Before applying lipstick, we need to hydrate our lips also like face. So lip balm is essential makeup product. And the last essential makeup product is a makeup setting spray which is used to set your whole makeup. So I have ADS makeup setting spray and it is very good makeup setting spray at very affordable price. It keeps your makeup last long and does not give you a dewy finish. So these are all the summer essential makeup products for oily and combination skin. So hope you enjoy it and like it. And if you find my video helpful, then please like, subscribe, share and comment. And if you have any question, please comment below. I will sure answer your comment. So thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.